Dear teacher and classmates, my name is Álvaro Ortiz. I'm from Medellin, Colombia, but I have been living in the city of Rochester, New York for 1 year ago. I live with my family formed by my wife and my 2 children, Maria Camila and Miguel Ángel, both teenagers. The New York City, it is known by the Statue of Liberty, but in this case I will speak of one of the most important monuments for me, not only for its beauty, but for its meaning, since it was made to commemorate one of the sad episodes that this nation has faced. In August 2, 2006, the foundation of the World Trade Center Memorial Monument and the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey initiated the construction of the National September 11 Memorial and Museum. The center is located on the site of the World Trade Center in the same location of the destroyed Twin Towers during the attacks of September 11 in 2001. The winner of the sign for the competition of the World Trade Center Site Memorial was the Israeli-American architect Michael Arad of Kendall Architects, a firm of San Francisco and New York. Arad worked with landscape architecture firm Peter Walker and Partners in design what they call forest of trees, with 2 pools in the center on the foundation where the Twin Towers once stood. The World Trade Center Memorial Foundation changed its name to National September 11 Memorial and Museum at the World Trade Center in the 2007. Thanks so much.